Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Alia Syamimi Muyassara binti Mustafa, which is my metric numbers is 2022X01572 and I from class SR1132A and I studied in UiTM Pahang campus Cengke. Now I would like to explain about cardiovascular system. So here is my agenda, which is I will explain what is cardiovascular system, the structure of heart, the functions, the blood flow, and lastly the abnormal condition of heart. I will explain the topic one by one. First thing first, do you guys know what is cardiovascular system? Cardiovascular system is system of vessel that transport blood to and from all areas of the body, delivering nutrition and oxygen to tissues and eliminating waste products such as carbon dioxide. A muscular heart drives the closed tubular system blood forward. Venous and arterial components make up two circuits, which is the pulmonary and the systemic. Oxygen and nutrients are required by all cells in the body. They also need their waste to be eliminated. Do you guys see this picture? This picture is structure of heart. If you can see in our heart have aorta, superior vena cava, right atrium, right ventricle, inferior vena cava, tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, pulmonary artery, left atrium, left ventricle, bicuspid valve, aortic valve, and lastly is pulmonary veins. Our heart is divided into 4 chambers. We have 2 chambers on the top, which is atrium and pleural arteria. They have 2 on the bottom, which is ventricles, one of each side of the heart. Right atrium have 2 large veins deliver oxygen poor blood to our right atrium. The superior vena cava carries blood from our super body. Systemic circulation and pulmonary circulation are the two primary loops that make up the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system's main goal is to ensure adequate blood flow throughout the body. Blood can be oxygenated through the lungs, and systemic circulation ensure that oxygenated blood and nutrients go to the rest of the body. The cardiovascular system's job is to eliminate carbon dioxide and circulate oxygen. After that, it feeds cells with nutrients and transport metabolic waste to the excretory organs for elimination. The body is then shielded against illness and infection. Finally, it stops bleeding after injury through coagulation. As we can see, here is the picture of the blood flow in cardiovascular system. This is the picture that we can understand the blood flow easily. Blood comes into the right atrium from the body, moves into the right ventricle, and is pushed into the pulmonary arteries in the lungs. After picking up oxygen, the blood travels back to the heart through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium, to the left ventricle, and out to the body tissues through the aorta. Last but not least, a heart rhythm anomaly is known as an arrhythmia. Its heartbeat can be too slow, too fast, or erratic. These anomalies can be a slight annoyance or discomfort all the way up to a potentially deadly issue. They have 2 type condition of heart, which is tachycardia and bradycardia. In short, tachycardia means a heartbeat that is more than 100 per minute, while bradycardia means a heartbeat that is less rapid than normal, which is less than 60 beats per minute. The conclusion from all my explanation is the body cells utilize oxygen, nutrients, and hormones carried by the circulatory system, also known as the cardiovascular system or vascular system, for energy, growth, and repair. Additionally, the circulatory system eliminates waste that your cells don't need, such as carbon dioxide. The heart, blood, arteries, and blood make up the cardiovascular system. Its main job is to carry the oxygenated blood back to the lungs and to carry nutrients and oxygen-rich blood to all regions of the body. A vital and strong organ, the heart constantly circulates oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Thank you for your ears and eyes for my slide and my explanation.